In the last video on WLD price prediction, I gave you the easiest short in the world, and we took massive profits from here. And not only did we take really good profits from here, but we're still holding the shorts. And the question is, where will we hold the short to? And I'll give you a few ideas on areas I'm definitely interested in holding this short to. First of all, yes, we are in some kind of accumulation zone. If we break it right here, we'll have a beautiful setup to the downside. Not only that, but we do have some fair value gaps that we can inverse at any time. So there's a fair value gap right here that we can inverse. If we dump to here, if we manage to basically break through it, we'll go to the downside. So I really want to see where money flow is going. Money flow is bearish. VWAP is curving down. On the daily chart, we're going down. So here's what I think will happen. We'll have 2 days of dumping here as well. 2 days dip. So if you're interested in buying spot, I will just wait 2 days. By the way, this video is no financial advice. 2 days dip on this candle right here. And I expected the dump to be at least a retest of this again. This is basically how I'll be trading WLD. Let me know your thoughts though in the comment section down below. And also we're up to 176 grand. If you wanna on meme coins, if you wanna learn how I'm trading meme coins, there'll be a bunch of links in the description down below, plus 8K bonuses from VOOX. See you next video.